What's the meaning of amputate? Amputate. 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 Amputate.
The term amputate refers to the surgical removal of a body part, usually a limb, due to injury or disease. The result of an amputation is the permanent loss of function and mobility in the affected area. Depending on the location of the amputation, the individual may require assistive devices such as canes or prosthetics to assist with mobility and activities of daily living. The physical and emotional impact of an amputation can also be significant, requiring ongoing rehabilitation and support to help individuals adjust to their new circumstances.